Okay, that was pretty funny. Shoot, I missed it. This big wave just came up and just slammed these people where we were just standing. They just got soaked. Here comes another one. You're seeing this little rock there. The waves are hitting the rocks and the people are getting just soaked. Daddy and Sienna. Oh, so you're going to pause and wipe the oh. The lens on. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we are. I'm shooting through a bag. Let me see if I can. Here we go. Okay, I got you. Okay, we're going to Johnston's Bay. Yes, Brian, and what else?
Look at all the debris on the beach already.
Take Sienna to go swimming. Funny she didn't want to go today. Chicken.
What's that?
I said funny, Sienna didn't want to go swimming today. Chicken. Sienna's getting her hair a little wet. Sienna, what is this? Is this the hurricane? Is this the hurricane?
Do you want to stay out here? No, what do you want to do? You want to go back home? Let's go over here. This is some big wave crash.
Okay, we're going to head back over this way and I'll see if I can get the lens clean. Okay, we are in the car now and I've dried off the camera and hopefully I haven't ruined it. This is Sienna.
I can't see.
Okay, hang on. Sienna says that Mommy can't come home with her because I got her all wet. So what we're going to do is travel down a little bit more on South Road.
Shut me up, Mommy.
To see, oh, it's not strapped. Okay, hang on. All right, I'm going to sign off here and we'll come back later. Okay, that's better. I think I still have sand on her from last night. Okay. Here's Sienna out playing in the hurricane rings. And dancing. Sienna, stay away from that tree, honey. It might fall. There might be more branches that fall. I know there's been two big ones. Did you see the other branch that fell over there? See way over there? The one that you thought was going to fall on that little tree? Go ahead. That's okay. Not too much here in the way of just leaves and pieces of palm. Just walk down a little bit. I'm in my robe. I'm trying to be horrified. Okay. Let's see. I'm catching a cold that Brian and Sienna had. I don't see too much, Sienna. Let's go.
There's two.
Yeah, I see the two. That's about all there is. Let's go inside.
Look.
Here's your classic tree, palm tree in the wind. The wind is still pretty gusty. What, 30 miles maybe? 40? Not much going on.
Here, Mommy.
Ooh. What do you got? Oh, a flower. Can you put that in my pocket? Here comes the big gust. Oh, Sienna, you're going to get knocked over. Oh! Birds are trying to fly here. Whoa! Okay, nothing too exciting. So we're on the road here on South Road. Sienna, what are you doing?
Just puzzle. Puzzles.
Puzzles.
Puddles.
Puddles. There are big puddles. I can't quite see it. I'm in the back seat, but we're on South Road again, where we were last night, and
There's all kinds of debris.
big old puzzles. Oh my goodness! Look at this.
Wow, the surf was way up.
I guess the surf came up and did this stuff. So we're gonna try to make our way through this and get back out to where we were last night. Yeah, this park where we were last night. That'll be good perspective from this morning to last night. And then I'll shoot back at this side. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shoot just a little bit outside the bag. I'm not sure how clear I'm getting. So until the surf comes up. Here we go. Here's the last night and this woman. She's done, but actually she's the funniest part of the video. So here we have some surf here. Whoa! Go ahead and walk to the beach. Oh, walk, definitely. See how much is down here. Make our way towards. Oh, so here at Elbow Beach. Oh gosh, big park closed. So maybe Sienna doesn't want to go there. We're going to see if we can find the weather guy, the weather channel guy.